Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I have come today and I'm gonna show you three things, three amazing face packs and a lip balm which you can make out of a coffee. So the things you need is right here. So I'm gonna show you what all things you need. So let's get started. See guys, as you have seen, this is turmeric, this is yogurt, this is coffee, coconut oil, honey. So I'll show you step by step. So guys, I'll show you step by step that what all things, what are the advantages of such packs for your skin, and let's get started. Hey guys, so the first mask we are making is for a glowing and shiny skin. So for that you need coffee, which I have taken. This is ground coffee, it is roasted and ground coffee. So I have got it for this recipe. You can use any coffee. Take some coffee in a bowl. See, I'm not gonna apply it, I'm not gonna show you because I need to show you three different packs, so it will be difficult. All three I cannot apply, but I'm gonna show you like this only. So you take a coffee bowl in the coffee, coffee in the bowl, sorry, and take a tablespoon of yogurt. See, as you can see, I've taken tablespoon of yogurt, some turmeric powder, I have taken some turmeric powder. Guys, this will really help you to get a glowing skin. Do it twice, thrice a week. Alternate days you can do, and you can see the results. Apply it and keep it for 20 minutes. See, the paste is ready. Apply it on your skin, keep it for 20 minutes, raise it with normal water, and before you raise it, before you wash it, just massage it for 2 to 3 minutes on your face, so it removes all the dead skin and all the dead cells, and just wash it with normal water, and there you can see the results. So the first thing is done. This is for glowing and shiny skin. You have to, again I'm telling you, you have to take coffee, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So here is your pack ready. So let's go to the second one, which I'm gonna show you for your skin tightening. How to get a skin tightening. A lot of people have a problem. I have faced the problems of, their skin become old, they get wrinkles and all. So the next pack I'm gonna show you is for skin tightening. So let's start it. So guys, let's go to the second one. It's for your skin tightening. So again, you take a coffee, pour it in a bowl, see, I've taken this much. I can't again and again, I cannot just show you. I cannot apply, and I'm so sorry for that. But definitely, if I would have been working on one thing, one face mask, I would have definitely applied, and I would have showed you the results. But this you can do it at home, you can apply it definitely. So I'll show you. The second thing is for your skin tightening, and if you have a skin aging problem. So you take a bowl, coffee in the bowl, 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon, whatever you need it for your face. Then in this there is a same thing. It's like you take it, you have to add a tablespoon of yogurt again. So I have taken yogurt, some little yogurt, and there is a twist in this. You have to add a tablespoon of honey. So in earlier for glowing skin, we had taken coffee, yogurt and turmeric. So this is quite different. You don't have to add turmeric. You have to add a tablespoon of honey. And this also the same procedure you have to keep, but make sure before you apply this, you wash your face properly, clean your face with your cleanser. And this also apply, keep it for 20 minutes, massage it on your skin so that it removes the dead skin and the dead cells and everything from your skin. Keep it for 20 minutes and just rinse it with a normal water. And the guys, best thing I'll tell about the yogurt has it anti-detox your skin. So it detox it completely. Yogurt is really good for your skin, and it will help you to reduce the wrinkles, and it will tighten your skin. So all these three things are very important. So guys, mix this all things together like this. Apply it on your skin. Keep it for 20 minutes again. This also keep it for 20 minutes. And you can get a result soon. But this also, you keep it for 20 minutes, massage it for 2 minutes. It is same like the procedure which I have showed you for your glowing skin. Whatever mask you keep it, you apply on your face, you have to massage, because that is the procedure. So it removes the dead cells and everything, the dead skin. So just applying and keep it, it's not gonna work like that. So you need to massage also. So guys, I have, this is the thing. So this is how it is. Mix it well, apply it on your skin, and it definitely work. So guys, hope you liked this. So let's go to the third one, which I'm gonna show you. So third one which I'm gonna show you is for your entire body. It's like a scrub, it's a coffee scrub. So you can scrub it to your body, entire body, and it's really good. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I have come with again with something. I told you it's for your scrubbing. So body scrub and face scrub coffee. So the third thing we come up on. So you, in a bowl, you take a sugar. Whatever sugar you want. You can take brown sugar or whatever sugar you are comfortable with. So I have taken this white cane sugar. So in this, I'm gonna take some coffee. So you pour coffee. Some coffee. So coffee, sugar and coconut oil. So guys, see, you can add lavender essential oil also, but that is optional. It's just for it's just for the fragrance. So I have not added anything, so it's all natural. I have taken in a bowl, I have taken sugar, coffee and some coconut oil. So this guy, have to mix this and this all things together. it nourishes your skin. Before going for a bath and before going for a shower, you apply this and gently massage this on your body. This is for your skin and your body. So before going for a shower, after a shower, apply it, pat it with a moisturizer, which usually people do it after bath, and you can see the result. That's it. You have to keep on applying. Mix like this. Once it is mixed well, apply 15-20 minutes before your shower. Nourishes your skin, gives you softness. So, and one more thing, the main important thing, when you apply this, you have to massage it in a circulating way. So circulate way you have to massage this on your body. So yeah, this is the thing done. So guys, the last thing which I'm going to show you now, the last thing is for your lips. So how to get a smooth, moisturized and pink lips or red lips if people have a dark lips. So let's get started with this, the last final thing which I'm going to show you. So start this. So guys, the last thing which I'm going to show you is lip this thing. Lip balm. I'm so sorry. So for that, take a bowl, take some coffee, some honey, few drops you need it for your skin. You can also add one more thing. Once again, I'm telling you can add essential oil. It's optional, just for your fragrance. So guys, mix all this thing well. See, this I'm gonna show you. It's okay, this I can show you. So apply it like this, guys. Massage it for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever you feel like. So apply it. The reason you massage it and you apply like this, the reason you massage it is also removes the dead skin, as I told you. So apply it. So massage. So guys, after you are done this massage, take a wet tissue or a wet cloth. You have to just wipe it with a wet tissue or a wet cloth. So wow, it becomes so soft. So guys, this is for your, this will give you a smooth and a pink lips. So this also you can do it twice, thrice a week. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. So if you like this video, share this video and comment this video, and I'll come again with something good and something new. So I hope you liked all this face mask and the lip scrub which I have showed you. Hope you like it. Please try it at home, and bas that's it for a day. Bye guys, stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye.